would you?
You need a jack, or else we're gonna lift it up and do it.
It ain't gonna happen here.
Just drive the thing up.
Just a casual night, doing a little bit of donny in a field full of ruts. And
I've been there.
the man who knows how to send it, sent it.
Hey, you have your trailer,
Brother,
my trailer.
I salute you. Send complete. Everybody follow Darius the technician. The man knows what he's doing.
It's an axle. Yep. Hit it with either. Now, come on, guys, come on. Oh! Sean. Sean, hold this. Somebody hold it. Here, spray this with ether first.
Brother,
Remember that time we were a viral video on Instagram? Prepare, boys.
This is where Fournette loses his eyebrows.
This is where we all lose our eyebrows. Okay, go. You're so close, it's probably gonna let.
Oh, come on.
Holy, it's not gonna blow up in your hand. Oh, you're taking too long. Put more in, put more in. That's good.
Go.
light the stick first.
Oh, yeah. That was
Is there any air? You gotta light the stick first.
Girl, get that paper towel.
Give me the lighter. I'll fucking do it. I'm not afraid.
He just took like half an hour. Get the lighter up there.
Dump the whole can in.
Jesus Christ.
Stand back. Okay, go.
Move! Oh, not enough. Not gonna work. It's because it's open too much.
This.
Put a strap around it.
I smell rubber.
I smell burning rubber.
Hey, you gotta put it on the ground. Nick, you fucking. That's good. This is painful.
No.
You gotta put it on Chinese fucking.
Yeah. Mark's right.
100%. You gotta put it on the ground. The bead's so wide open. Someone else try that.
Somebody's gonna be famous tomorrow. Send it.
How do you think they got to the moon? Whatever. It's literally just fucking Thursday.
My first card is in my wallet in the truck.
Famous last words? Hurry, move. Get out of here, noob.
Hey. Let me go ask this guy here.
Come on.
You gotta drink it. So you gotta fill it first. You gotta fill it. Put a rag on it. It's literally people watching us trying to light that fucking snake on.
I ain't doing shit.
We're not blowing Nick again.
Go.
We need air. You don't need air for this. I've never used it. Wait, it's also good out. It's such a bad idea. Cover your face. Nick, bring the stick back up. Back up. Hold on, not yet.
Oh, this is
Not
fucking bad.
All right, Celso,
Get it,
jump
boys.
on.
Get it.
Oh my God. You
Get
good?
her done. Go.
I told you, it's not gonna work.
Didn't work.
It's the starting fluid.
Just put a strap on the fucking thing and
There we go. Hey, there we go. That's gonna work.
Oh, this will fucking work for sure. Look, it's almost sealed itself. Wait, hang on. We're gonna find out where the fucking pin is.
Where's the valve?
Where's the fucking valve down? Let's get it fucking right there. Your foot's underneath it. Right here. There you go. Get in there. Hey, 2 more people can fit on here.
I spent like 2.5 hours mine in the center of that.
I can't see fucking anything. All else fails, just pile a bunch of people on it. That works too. You're leaking somewhere. You almost got it, guys.
Let's do the fucking.
No. Oh shit! Not even close.
Oh, fuck. I thought.
Next, stay on there.
We need more sticks.
We're on.
Hold it. Nobody move.
Hold you, Nick.
My fat ass is
Nobody move.
Nobody move.
Freeman has a great angle.
Pop.
Up!
Feel it coming
Hold
out.
it! Where are my safety glasses?
Hold it.
It's gonna pop!
Charles got. Yeah! It just popped.
Yeah, we're good.
Hey?
Fucking worked.
I fucking told you I could do it.
Here, how about PSI? Check the PSI on her. Here, check the PSI. Up that bitch up to like fucking 50.
This is what happens in Canada.